Hey guys, what is going on? This is Addison with the Swear Car Company, and I'm going to show you a couple of features that go with the tire system in this Volkswagen Id.4. Let's get right to it. So basically, in order to get to the tires, you go to Vehicle, and you press right there, and you go right here to Tires. And what we have is we got to set the tire pressure in the vehicle, and not only that, but we have these options for winter tires. So anyways, I'm going to show you guys how to set your tires for your Volkswagen Id.4 super quick. So anyways guys, in order to check your tire pressure, you go right here to this little diagram. It'll show right here for the front and the rear tires. And so what we got for PSI, we have around, this one it's actually cut off, but it is 44 for both the front and the rear tires. So basically what you'll do is you'll fill up each and every one of your tires, and right at the end, you'll go to tires, and then you will set the tire pressure. So anyways guys, I really hope that you enjoyed that quick little tutorial, and if you have any questions, we have a link for our website down below. But anyways, I'll see you guys in the next video. See ya!